It's our turn craft time!
Hi mga bata, ako si Teacher Hazel and today we're going to make an artwork related to our lesson, Adam Called to Work, Genesis chapter 2 verse 15. Okay, so una, mag-drawing tayo ng trunk ng puno. Tapos prepare na natin yung mga coloring materials natin. Pwedeng poster paint, watercolor, basta makukulayan natin yung cotton balls ng green. Ang ginamit ko dito ay iba't ibang shade ng green. May light green, may dark green. Yan, then i-ready na natin yung glue, lagay natin dun sa puno. Ididikit natin dito yung mga cotton balls na color green. Yan, dahan-dahan lang. Make sure na tuyo na yung cotton balls bago idikit. Yan. Tapos kulayan na natin yung trunk ng puno ng color brown. You can use watercolor, poster paint, or clean crayons. Tapos isulat na natin yung Adam called to work at ating Bible verse na Genesis chapter 2 verse 15. Yan, tapos na tayo. Don't forget to take a photo and send to any of your teachers. Bye!